How to check how many Instagram accounts linked to email. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner, leading you to settings and privacy. Scroll down to the very end where you can see the option of add account. So simply select on add account. Now tap on login to existing account, and what you simply need to do over here is you'll have to enter or tap on the option of use another profile and simply tap on forgot password. Now you just have to mention the email ID over here that you want to check how many accounts are linked to this email. So tap on continue, and what it does is it will simply select or send the verification code for this particular email ID. So we just have to wait for a while and make sure we have proper internet connection to get the code so that we can see how many accounts are linked to this particular email. So it will send the code. So let's go to our Gmail ID over here and check for the code, and let's refresh the page. And as we refresh the page, we might just see the codes over here. So let's wait. So let's wait for a while until it provides us with the code. We don't see the code over here, so we can just go back to Instagram and tap on send code again. So let's tap on send code again. It says some issue is there, but that's how basically you can do it. You can just enter the code and you'll be able to see the list of Instagram accounts that are linked to this email. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.